Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about an interesting topic, and the topic is how to create and set up a newsletter on Mailchimp, and it will be a complete beginner video for you guys. So without any further ado, we can dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in our Mailchimp account. So if you are new in here, or if you are in newly, then you will visit this place and you will get this kind of an interface. So here, if you don't have any account actually, then you just need to be click on sign up, then they will give you some simple process or steps to create an account. So then you just need to be come over that dashboard panel. Here you can see we already set up 25%. We had some work to do, but we did not complete it yet. So they are giving us message that call finishing setting up your account. So while you complete your account, then you can create campaign for your newsletter, or you can set up or create a new newsletter with this Mailchimp platform. If you see the template here, you can see we have a couple of top template for install marketers. Then we have grow your audience with custom pop-up from, like we have couple of options over here, and in the left corner you can see we have bunch of options here to make it automations. Then here we have campaign where we can view and manage our emails, ads, social posts and landing pages. Then we have these prompts. It will help you to design and publish high conversation pop-ups that precisely target your audience. Then we have audience where you can watch or view a list of all the contracts in your audience. Then also we have analytics, where we can allow to track the performance of our email and SMS campaign with near real-time analytics. Then even also we have this website option where we are allowed to create and manage a website that comes with built-in marketing tools. Then last we have content that's allow us to upload and manage creative asset to use in your campaign. Then you are allowed to integrate some apps here, as you can see, Snapchat lead generation apps, then Meta and couple of more. Here you can see like Mailchimp is on of the best platform to run campaigns, set up newsletter, website, forms and whatever you can do within platform. So let's go and let's talk about the campaign where we are going to create and set up a newsletter on our users. So how we can do it, just click on create. Once you click over here, then here we will get an options in the left corner that called email. You just need to be click over here and you will get bunch of options after clicking on the email. Although you just need to be click on regular, just click over here regular. Then they will ask you to create an email, keep your subscribers engaged by sharing your latest news, promoting a line of products and announcing an event. So here I'm going to give an internal email name. That name will be similar kind of by my name or my YouTube channel, We Are Digital. And then I'm going to click on begin. Once I click over here, then it will redirect us to the new page where you can see that We Are Digital. This is the name, and here you can see all subscriber contacts in the audience, Install Maker, 3 receptionists we have already. So they will also get, and this is our form email. So if I give you an email template over here, then you will get understand what is the meaning of to, form and subject, send, time and contact. So here you can see to means you are going to give a name where you want to send. Like I am going to get a mail, this will my friend email, and I want to send an email to this guy. So that's why I pasted his Gmail over that to place. So here this is the similar one. Then from, it's me, I'm the owner, that's why it is my mail. And you can add subject here, or you can make it automated. So here you can see, then you can see your receptionist, subject line, perform There is a couple of options you have, so it's totally up to you. Then you have the send time options, when should we send this email, then content. Then you can share your email through these options also. Once you're done, then just click on this design email, and this is the particular main thing where you need to be design your template by your own. So there is couple of template we have. You can create it from scratch if you want to create it. So I'm going to select this free version, and this minimal will be a great choice for me. So just click on apply. Once I click over here, they will give us to edit each and every elements in this place. So I'm going to change the logo here. So let's go click on upload image, and let's find out where is our logo. This one will be my logo, though you can see it will be changed over here, and here you can change the size, scale, and many things. It's totally up to you what kind of a design you want. So I'm going to reduce it so it looks nice right now. Once you're done, then here you in the left corner we have couple of blocks here. So but it is already pre-built it, so we don't need to be use it. But if you want to use it, you just need to drag it, drop in here. So here you can see I already dragged the what is the name of that divider, and we just place it here. Then if you want to change this image, or if you just want to change this text, you can do it. Like I'm going to add something. It's time to design your email. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. This will be our heading. Then we are going to talk about the image one. So I'm going to change an image. Let's click on upload image again, then add it here. Here you can see it will take a while and it will be uploaded. There we have couple of options. Here you can see link to web, then email, then many things we have to do it. So let's click on style. We have another option called style. Here you can see you can change the round cornerness. So let's make it, and here you can see this change has been happening over here and it is visible. Then you can see line, link, desktop, and mobile style. So you can change it to make it more responsible. Then you can add a border if it is needed. Here you can see it has been added. Then you can change the background or block background. Then we have this visibility options. So for using this one, you need to be update your plan to premium one. So with this free plan, you can allow to access these two options. So it's like it is enough for a beginner or just newbie to start from zero. Then once you're done, then here you can come over here and you can add button text. I'm going to name it shop now, and I'm going to add a link over here. This way whenever they will click on this link, they will redirect to this place. So just click on save. Then here I'm going to change couple of things over here, like this one. Here you can see show badge. Click on dark, light, what kind of a badge you want. You can do it. Then you can change the text. Similarly, you can add link, like here you can see share. Then just click over here. Like we have all necessary things to edit whole template. Once you're done, just click on save and exit. And here you can see to send your campaign, remove or replace the placeholder text, default text content. Okay, placeholder, where is the placeholder? So I just need to find it out. Yeah, it has been done. So now here you can see we have couple of options. We just need to fix it. So in here, if you find out any error, they will help you or they will assist you to resolve the issue as fast as possible. So if you are totally a beginner, then Mailchimp is one of the greatest place for you to learn things properly, and then eventually you can implement on those learning on your practical form. I hope this video was really knowledgeable for you. If you think this was really knowledgeable, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.